Okay, if you've watched my previous video before, right before this one, you know that I have not flown this drone in about a year. This is literally my second flight in as many days, and I hadn't flown it for a year. So it's a little bit choppy, and really the main purpose of this video was to practice some more. But I thought, while I'm going to practice, I might as well have something good to shoot with the video camera. So I'm going up to 300 feet, and this is basically sunset from 300 feet above my house. That is looking west, of course, because it's sunset, kind of in the vicinity of Harrisburg up there. And since the sun was kind of obscured by some clouds, I decided to do a quick 360 here, showing you the neighborhood that is right behind us. And I'm doing this 360 a little bit faster than what I normally would. But again, the main purpose of this was just practice getting used to the controls again, because I want to get a little bit smoother with it so it's ready whenever I go on vacation. But this is some pretty good footage of the neighborhoods around us. I want to go during the day and get some more footage of the neighborhoods around us, either at 300 or 400 feet depending on winds, and just do some slow 360s to get some more scenic footage. But again, tonight the main purpose was to get practice and also record the sunset, which is going to be coming up here at the end of this rotation. The sun actually broke through the clouds, and it looks like a pretty decent sunset. Not the best, but it's still pretty decent for recording. Thanks for watching.